So here's the scoop on Trump's legal drama. Today, a judge in New York is going to rule on whether to toss out Trump's conviction from that hush money case. If it gets thrown out, it'd be a huge win for him, especially with him set to take office again soon. Now, if you remember, Trump was convicted back in May on 34 counts. The jury believed he messed with business records to cover up a supposed fling with an adult film star just before the 2016 election. It's all tied to those hush money payments he allegedly made to keep things quiet. The sentencing is scheduled for November 26th, but here's the twist. The Supreme Court recently made a big decision on presidential immunity, saying presidents are mostly protected from prosecution for a lot of things they do in office. Trump's legal team jumped on this, arguing the whole case should be dismissed. But before we get into the details, hit the subscribe button like this video and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for your support. If the judge, Juan Merchan, decides to go with this argument and tosses the case, then there won't be any sentencing for Trump. If not, Trump's lawyers will probably try to delay things as long as possible, saying it could get in the way of his duties once he's back in office in January. This has people fired up on both sides. The Kansas City Star even put out editorials suggesting that if Trump's conviction sticks, the judge should make him take the oath of office from a jail cell. That'd be a scene, right? But they're saying it show that the law applies to everyone, even presidents. On the flip side, former Attorney General Bill Barr sees it all as a political stunt, saying these cases don't have any real legal basis and that most people have already made up their minds about. He thinks dragging this out would just distract the country and incoming administration from more important work. Trump's not holding back either. He's been calling this case a witch hunt for a while and says it should be dropped entirely. And beyond the New York case, he's also facing 2 federal cases. One about trying to overturn the 2020 election and another related to mishandling classified documents. But get this, if he's president again, he might be able to put an end to those cases. Now, word is that Jack Smith, the special counsel on those cases, might already be winding things down. Former prosecutor Randall Eliason has spoken up too, saying that if Trump gets off without any consequences, it's a pretty big hit to the idea of holding leaders accountable. In his view, it's like Trump might never face the music for anything he's been accused of. This just adds to what was already a chaotic election season. Trump's New York conviction came only a few months before he ended up winning the election, and it's been intense ever since. He even survived an assassination attempt at a rally in Pennsylvania. A bullet supposedly grazed his ear. Right after that, Biden pulled out of the race after struggling in a big debate. So, yeah, there's a lot happening. Depending on what the judge decides today, this could be a real turning point in Trump's legal saga. We'll just have to watch and see how it unfolds. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.